So what's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel. I'm working on the 370Z today, and the right side pipe broke on me. It's just the welding. It's broke and it's separated from the exhaust, the back exhaust, from the middle. So I'm heading to one of my buddies that have a welding machine, and he's gonna do it for me. And I'm on my way to him, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix it. But before I head there, let me show you. I'm going to fix the crack. I'm here at this place. I'm trying to get an appointment with them. They told me it's gonna take 10 days to get a windshield for my Nissan. So I'm here actually to get an appointment with them, and hopefully we can do something about it. All right, I am here already. Unfortunately, so I have to call them in 10 days until they have it in stock, because right now they don't have it. I have to call them after 10 days to see if they have it, if they ordered one or not. And I told them I can pay for it right now, and just make sure you order one for me. They said no, we must have it in stock, then we can do the job. So, all right, this is where I'm at right now. So let's go ahead to my friend, let him do his job and get the pipe weld. So New York, what are you doing today, man, to this car? Explain to the guys who are gonna watch your video.
I'm going to weld the actual intake pipe on the muffler back to the exhaust pipe itself.
Woohoo! It's gonna be fun, right?
Yeah, you say so.
Still hot?
It's separated. It's separated a lot, but I can see where
the old weld was?
Yeah, I can see where the old weld. I can see that it actually sat into the into it a little bit. So if I could lift this and replicate that real quick, we'll go ahead and just tack it in, and
just to hold it into place?
Yep, just to hold it into place, and I'll try to do a poor man's weld on it real quick and get it done.
That's why I came to you, man.
All right, let's get it done.
Man, this New York, he can do anything for you guys. If you ever need any help, this is the man right here. You can go to his channel, DIY Memphis Mechanic. On YouTube, you can find him. He can help you a lot. You can learn a lot from him too.
A little bit of cursing, but
Memphis language.
Yeah. Yep, a little bit of cursing, but you'll get it done. Best light in the world.
See that, actually helps a lot.
Yeah, it does. Okay, I need you to go ahead and crank that thing. Let me see what kind of air I've got coming out of it. Yep.
Awesome, man.
She's sealed, there's zero loss, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue tacking it up.
All right, so do you want me to turn it off or keep it on?
Turn it back off.
All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and continue welding it up.
So no pressure coming out of the exhaust anymore.
No pressure, no loss of exhaust at all.
Awesome. And what is your last steps?
Just gonna go ahead and continue the weld at the joint. Completing it actually. And I'm gonna go back through, make sure all my welds look pretty good before somebody on YouTube complains about my welds.
At home?
Yeah.
Is it possible?
Yeah, with a little bit of preparation.
What about the experience? Does it matter, or is it you can manage to do it from the first time?
Nah. This is the thing about welding. What I just did. And this is the part that's gonna kick ass. Okay. the actual pipe has a very thin wall. The wall is extremely thin.
So you have to, like, you don't hit it heavy welding.
So
it's gonna be like touches.
What I choose to do is I choose to do spot welds all around it.
Okay.
And by doing that, I'm adding material, making the wall a little bit thicker, and then I go back through and just join all of the spot welds together.
Okay.
That stops it from warping, and it also stops me from burning directly through it.
Aha.
So that's the case with pipes. You will burn through them, but don't panic. You could always go back through and
fix the problem, basically, just block it.
Yeah, I've been doing pipes for so long that, you know, it's not going to take me long, but the average person is going to burn through them. So just start off with low to not even midway. Yeah. But, you know, it's between a little between low and
probably just be patient too.
Yeah.
Be patient with it.
I don't care about patience.
Really?
Well, do the damn thing. But this is the thing about it. Don't burn through it.
Okay.
Because
it makes it worse. More work to do.
It makes it worse. It ruins the metal itself. Okay. Right? Because now you have to add metal to it, and it's also very thin because of how you done burnt the hole through it. So
any bump and any contact is just gonna come out easily with that.
Like I said, when you want to start with like medium power, I don't even know what I had that set to, but this is set, and this is the little titanium easy flux 125. I have it set. The wire speed is at 5, and I'm on an F when it comes to power, so just above midway. Okay, so slightly above the middle, and that was good enough. And it burned through it once.
Oh wow! So settings matters, right?
Yeah. So yeah, definitely. So I would say I would set it right at the middle, or a little bit below the middle if you have the 125 titanium. And it's on wire feed, flux core.
Okay, and just don't be afraid to do it.
Yeah. And like I said, don't be afraid to burn through it. You burn through it, you just go back and weld material in, and you'll be all right. Your first welds are going to look like crap, and I promise you this. So don't feel bad, and don't have anybody on YouTube dictate what you should do and what you shouldn't do. All right?
Dude, that's a great tip.
Yeah, go for it. Try your hand at it, man. I've been doing it for 16 years.
Yeah, I know. I've been knowing you for 10 years. Yeah, for the past 10 years.
The guy that welded this fence was me. Look
at that. What a good neighbor, huh?
Right. Yeah, right. So yeah, I did his wrought iron, so it's, you know.
That's good.
And I'm a mechanic. That's
his main thing, actually.
Yeah, as long as you have welding in your repertoire, like there's nothing you can't do. And, you know.
Yeah, and you can start from the first time. You're always gonna mess up, but when you get used to it, everything gonna be fine.
It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. You guys will appreciate the fact that you took the time to do it right.
Yeah. So I'll mention your channel again, so I can put it in there.
Yeah, it's DIY Memphis Mechanic.
You can find him on YouTube, guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the link below. I'm gonna look him up first, then I'm gonna put his link below.
And don't just do what I did, right? Clean that stuff before you go ahead and weld it. You have to have it. You just have to have it clean. When I looked underneath there, it was almost spotless. So I just went on and welded it. It wasn't, you know, it was pretty good. I just really clean underneath there. So I took a chance and just went on and did it. I didn't have any real splatter. The welds went in good. If I had an issue with my welding with a lot of splatter, I would have took my time and cleaned off everything and done it that way. But
so do you mean they have to basically sand the pipe?
Yeah.
Sand it down a little bit, wire brush it,
just to get to clean metal.
Okay.
That was clean metal, as you'll see in the video. That was clean metal. I didn't really have to prep it or anything. I should have wire brushed it, but like I said, it.
Yeah, that happened recently, so it wasn't really that bad.
Yeah, there was no rust. It was just, you know, a clean break. And
it's upright. Everything was good. No pressure. Nothing coming out anymore. So everything is done. Man, I appreciate you, man.
Yes, no problem.
So car handling is pretty good. I still need to clear some of these codes. I need to scan it and see the sensors, what sensor is messed up, so I can replace them. But look at this. This is solid. I just love how it drives. right, so I drove it for about an hour, and let's see if it's still there. Still connected? Yes. So job is done. This is fixed. Everything is normal now. And the exhaust, look amazing. This is Nismo exhaust on it. Just love it. All right, so it's gonna be, I'm gonna have to wait 10 days and call that place again and see if they ordered a windshield for me, so I can go ahead and replace it. And I'm still looking for a fender. I don't want to buy a new one and paint it again, so I'm trying to find some silver fender for this car, and it's kind of hard to find, but something gonna come up. Hopefully something gonna come up and we can buy it. All right guys, this is the end of the video, so I'll see you soon.